Is that your shop?
Yeah.
You wanna line up your shop here on the bench so you can see everything? You can line up everything. Yeah. So you can see it like that, line it up.
No, not to.
You don't want to? Okay.
No, no.
Were you going not here? Just do it here. Oh, you're gonna line up there?
No, I have to do more.
Oh, you have to do your work? Is that how Dad work? Is this how you work, Dad? I thought this is the wood. That's how she does the work. Jilana, have Daddy try this one because there's no battery. Check if there's a battery.
What?
Yeah. No, the other one. Is there a battery on that one? Oh, yeah. Nice. Good job.
Do I do it?
Whoa. Yeah. Oh. Oh, wow.
You want this one?
You have another one in there?
Yeah. And this one. Let me get-
Oh.
Do you have other stuff to put in there?
Yeah, let's go there. Here. No, just put it here. Otherwise, you're going to be all over
Hey,
that.
don't dig on this one. It makes
Just go can here, though.
on the wood.
Here, on the wood, Jilana. Here need to be on the wood, anak. Yeah, on the bench. See, I told you that's the one. Oh, yeah, that's perfect.
I'll give you the nick there.
That's fine. Yeah, there you go. Got it.
Oh, and you got all this stuff. Now you got two.
I know she got lots
Did
of.
they come with a case?
No, this one is the other
other
tool she
case.
had.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
can you help her that?
You got lots of stuff. Nice.
She got lots of tools.
Oh, look what you got. Look what you got.
Yeah, she's a little
A
home.
razor knife like that. I like. Oh, look.
I do that.
You know that. I didn't know that. Oh,
I
show me. Ah.
do this. I do this.
Oh, I use my finger. You use your teeth. There you go. Nice.
Oh, wow. That's slick, huh?
Because you're my sidekick, aren't you?
You know all this, Jilana? Is that what Daddy does?
Yeah.
Oh. You okay?
Oh, I like this.
And the other.
Nail gun. I know, I see this.
Well, she's supposed to be 10 years old when she got it, but she's so smart. She got it right now. Oh, the horse, are you gonna, is that your moose hunting?
Days off from something really.
Yeah. That's how you cut the moose meat.
Yep, a lot of music songs.
Yep. Love. The bones, yeah, see?
Mommy. That's good.
I don't see you now. Can I put the horsey on the side like this?
Oh no.
Like, so I see you, I don't see you. I only see Julene. Yeah, there you go. Do you want Julene play with you?
Yeah. Of course.
Oh, of course. Julene, she said, of course. Wow.
Hey, Jolene, I'm going to make a bacon burrito for me. Do you want one or not?
Oh,
Okay, can you play with adding first? Who's playing with adding than Daddy? No. Too many moving pieces, Jelana. BC? You BC, Jelana? Are you BC?